In this video, we are going to learn about quadratic equation, different forms of a quadratic equation, and graph of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. An equation of degree 2 is called as a quadratic equation. What is meant by the degree? Observe the highest power of variable in these equations. In the first equation, 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. The power of the variable x is 1. In the second equation, x squared minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. The highest power of x is 2. And in the third equation, x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The highest power of x is 3. This highest power of the variable in any equation is called its degree. Here is the list of names of equations with respect to their degree. For example, an equation with degree 1 is called as a linear equation. An equation with degree 2 is called as a quadratic equation, and an equation with degree 3 is called as a cubic equation. Quadratic equation general definition. An equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or any equation that can be rearranged to get this form where x is an unknown, a, b and c are numbers, and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. How do we get different quadratic equations from its general form? If we replace a, b and c in ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by numbers and do not give a value equal to 0, we get different quadratic equations. For example, when a is 3, b is 1 and c is minus 12, then we get 3x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Why a should not be equal to 0? As long as the value of a in ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is not 0, the equation remains quadratic. If we replace a by 0, then this equation becomes a linear equation. And this is the reason why we say in general definition of quadratic equation that a should not be equal to 0. Pure quadratic equation. If we replace b by 0 in ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the quadratic equation becomes pure quadratic equation. You may get confused. Sometimes the quadratic equation does not look like a quadratic equation because of its arrangement. Look at these examples. 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. And 3 into x minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 0. Apparently these equations do not look like ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But they can be rearranged to get their equivalent standard form. So these equations are quadratic equations also. Forms of quadratic equation. There are three forms of a quadratic equation: standard form, factored form, and vertex form. Standard form. The arrangement of a quadratic equation like ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called its standard form. For example, 2x squared minus 10x plus 12 is equal to 0 is in standard form of quadratic equation. Factored form. The arrangement of a quadratic equation like a into x minus p into x minus q is equal to 0, where a, p and q are numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called its factored form. It is also called as intercept form of quadratic equation. Here P and Q are x-intercepts that define solutions are roots or zeros of quadratic equation. For example, 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in factored form with solutions 2 and 3. Vertex form. The arrangement of quadratic equation like a into x minus h whole square plus k is equal to 0 where a, h and k are numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called its vertex form. Here h and k are coordinates of vertex. For example, 2 into x minus 1 whole square plus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in vertex form with vertex hk equal 1, 3. Graph of quadratic equation. Graph of quadratic equation as shown in the figure is an open plane symmetrical curve called parabola. Characteristics of parabola. A parabola can be opened upwards or downwards. Being a symmetrical curve, it has an axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry passes through a single point of parabola called vertex. The two parts of a parabola on either sides of the axis of symmetry are mirror images of each other. And this is the end of this video. Goodbye.